In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Wise balance in the app. Whether you're new to Wise or just need a little guidance on navigating the app, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, you'll need to access your Wise app. So go ahead and open it up on your device. Once you have the app open, you'll need to log into your account. For most of you, this should be a straightforward process. You'll simply enter your login credentials. And if you're like many users who have Face ID or fingerprint recognition set up, logging in is as easy as a quick glance or touch. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. This home screen is essentially your dashboard where you can get a quick overview of your various currency balances. It's designed to be intuitive, showing you all the different currency accounts you hold within Wise. This makes it incredibly convenient to manage your finances, whether you're handling multiple currencies for business or personal use. The next step is to select the specific currency you wish to check. Let's say you're interested in seeing how much you have in your USD account. Simply tap on the USD listing on your home screen. Of course, you could choose any other currency you're holding, like EUR or PHP, depending on what you need at the moment. This step is crucial for zeroing in on the exact information you're after. Once you've tapped on your chosen currency, the app will bring up the details for that account. What you'll see is your current balance displayed prominently, giving you an immediate snapshot of your finances. But that's not all. The app also provides other important account details right there, making it easy to stay informed about your financial status at a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Wise balance in the app. This simple process ensures you always know where you stand financially, which is especially handy in a world where currency values can shift rapidly. Remember, this feature is there to empower you with knowledge and make your financial management that much simpler. By doing this regularly, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions with your money, whether you're saving, spending, or transferring funds internationally. If you ever run into any issues or have questions, Wise's customer support is just a click away within the app. They're there to help, ensuring you have a smooth experience every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this guide made things easier for you. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on navigating the Wise app and managing your international finances. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.